Welcome back, Freedom Savers. So if you haven't noticed, all my videos this week have Jack Bogle quotes on them. That's because Jack Bogle has passed away. He pioneered low-cost index investing and made it much easier to build wealth, especially for the common people. He founded Vanguard and created index funds, which, as you guys know, are passive ways to invest. I do like Vanguard. I don't have an account with Vanguard other than my 401k, but I do promote that new investors use their funds, their ETFs, as they are very low expense ratios. Vanguard is, as far as I know, the only broker who is actually owned by its funds. And it basically has a policy in place where it will only pass the actual costs of running the business to those funds. It won't actually try to be a big business making money if itself, as Vanguard itself. The funds, of course, are trying to make money. Of course, that means that anybody who owns the funds actually owns Vanguard. So it's a unique setup, and it keeps the costs of all the funds down and low, which is one of the reasons that Vanguard has the lowest expense ratios in the industry. So rest in peace, Jack Bogle. Also, I want to mention before we get this portfolio update going, is M1 is doing that referral this month for January. In January, if you use my referral link, you will get a free $25 when you set up your M1 account for the first time. And I will also get $25, so it's win-win. So if you haven't set up an M1 account, I do highly suggest you do. I think they're a great brokerage. And if you don't use my referral link, I highly suggest you use somebody's referral link and get a free 25 bucks. I mean, it's free money, guys. And if you do use mine, I highly appreciate it. But I just want to remind you guys that that is going until January 31st. And after that, it should go back to $10, I believe. So to the 100 stock Roth IRA, let's do our update. So far, we have a value of $5,763.54 with 36 cents in cash. Let's see what's happened in the last week. We received dividends from Mondelez and McCormick that may have already been in a previous update. And we received dividends from, oh boy, all of those. Small amounts, but we're getting there. Snowball's going. We've been depositing $23.80 every day. Let's go over to the spreadsheet. Current value, $5,763.54. I have deposited $5,811.80. I am still down on the Roth. I started the Roth pretty much at the top of the market and bought at the highest price. So right now I've been dollar cost averaging down, but that does mean that I am still in the negative. It has recovered quite a bit. I was down over $300 and something at one point. I'm currently only down $48.26, or 0.83%. Dividends, we've earned $39.34 in dividends. This month, we've been paid $8.82 of that. We have not sold anything in the portfolio, although I am considering getting rid of EIX, Edison International. They are a utility in California, and as you know, California's electricity companies are at a high risk of liabilities due to fires. And we saw what happened with PG&E, and EIX has gone down since then as well. They are not in as much trouble as PG&E, but the possibility is always there. And I know utilities are supposed to be a safe investment, but there's risks to everything, guys, including utilities, as we've seen with PG&E. California wildfires happen every year. California is like always on fire, it seems like. And yeah, I just don't know. I think that there's less risky investments. EIX has been around forever, and it pays the dividend and all that good stuff. And I haven't made the decision yet, but I am considering pulling out of utilities in California. But for now, nothing has been sold. Dividend changes. That was just a special dividend. Nothing's changed there. Realty Income did increase their dividend. Went from $265 a year to $271, or 2.34%. Stag increased theirs by a penny, or yeah, a penny for the overall year, for only just 0.56%. But hey, at least it's an increase. Let's hop over to our yearly dividend and see how we're really doing. So as you can see, we're mixed between being in the green and red. We're mostly in the red still, which is why the portfolio overall is down. There's been 5 investing days. I've invested $119 in total during those 5 days, which increased my yearly income by a whopping $4.32, giving me an overall yield on cost of 3.63%. The average for the portfolio is 3.29%, and the average yield on cost is 3.25%. So not too bad. Currently, we're up to $189.28 per year, or $15.77 per month, giving me an overall return of 3.26%. Now, compared to my other portfolios, of course, this one is not returning as nearly as much in dividends. But again, this is the Roth. These are all long-term stable holdings. These are not going to be putting out the dividend yields of my other portfolios because I'm not taking as much risk. And that's exactly what I want for the Roth. The Roth should be a long-term stable portfolio. I have a few, like maybe 3 or 4, I think, max in here that are a little more risky than the majority of blue chip stocks that are in here. But for the most part, this is a very stable long-term portfolio. They've paid dividends for anywhere from 25 years to 100 years. There are some positions I would like to add to this, including the other Canadian banks that have all paid for over 100 years. But I don't have any openings. And as you know, when I set this up, I set it up with exactly 100 stocks to fill a pie without having any single holding under 1% weighting. Because I feel if a holding is under 1% weighting, it is pretty insignificant to the portfolio overall. And I want every one of my positions to be a significant part of the portfolio. So 1% it is. So yeah, that's the Roth IRA portfolio update, guys. I hope you enjoy watching these updates and seeing my complete transparency of what I'm doing with my money, putting my money in, how much I'm gaining or losing. And that way you can see what works and what doesn't and see my progress over time. I have high hopes for the Roth, and I will continue maxing it every year for as long as I can. And I'm currently up to over 160 subscribers, and I just wanted to take this moment to say thank you to all of you. I truly appreciate all of your support as my YouTube channel grows and my portfolios grow, and I get advice from you guys because I don't know everything. So I just wanted to take a moment and say I truly thank you for the support. So I hope your portfolios are all doing good. I hope you're all doing great. And if you have any questions at all, I am here to help. Please feel free to drop me a comment, ask me any question you like. If I don't have the answer, I will try to research it and find it for you. Have a good one, guys. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.